What are the best ways to teach vocabulary to English language learners? I'm Larry Ferlazzo, and I'm going to share what I do in my classroom, and you can determine if you think it's the best strategy or not. I have a lot of peer tutors in my class, so a lot of the work that my students do will be doing with peer tutors, but the strategies I share can also work in full class instruction as well. On Monday, I introduced a thematic group of words, maybe up to 20. I do that through a variety of ways. Some weeks it might be through the use of the picture word inductive model. You can see a previous video on that. Sometimes it's just another image. For example, if we're learning about the calendar, the months of the year or days of the week, it'll be a calendar. And other times it's just a list of words with pictures. For example, opposites, if we're going to do a theme on opposites. So peer tutors spend some time teaching those words to students, and then students create their own flashcards with their home language on one side and English on the other. A lot of recent studies in particular have shown the advantages of flashcard and retrieval practice, that students have to retrieve it from their mind, and it helps get the word into their long-term memory. So we'll do that on Monday. Let's say maybe 20 to 25 minutes doing that. And on Tuesday, they will do it again, review those words. They'll also begin to create a short slideshow using that vocabulary and focusing on the theme. For example, for studying holidays, they'll do a 4-slide presentation on their favorite memory for the holiday. On Wednesday, they'll review the cards and review the words again. And they will also use a sheet of scrambled sentences that I've created, generally these days through the help of ChatGPT, of scrambled sentences using some of that vocabulary, so that they'll have to try to do that. In addition, while they're practicing the words with their peer tutors, students have to come up with their own sentences using those words, so it's in context. On Thursday, students do a practice test with their peer tutors, and on Friday, we have a formative assessment formal test for it. And I do this we do a thematic unit, generally lasts 1 week, and we do 4 of those, and then we have a week where we do a review. How do you handle vocabulary in your class?